Easy. Boring. Mahal. Aglas sa kwarto. Isa naglalaro na. Oh. Ang dugis naman yan. Kain tinapay. Ha? Asus. Kailang biscuit ka na. Ha? Tiba naman yan sa uwi Tawi. Imong uso mo. Ni. Kana, play ka na. Tawag mo si Papa, dali. Tawag mo si Papa. Ano? Siba talaga.
Madumi mukha sa pikama.
Lahat marumi.
Opo. Mating ulan. Oh. Panay chocolate.
There he is. Whoa. The cool thing about this milk crab is it's camouflage. Yeah, he camouflages
Ayun na ikaw.
eating things. If he starts to eat things that are light brown,
Halika na, dali. Halika, dali.
light brown
Ikaw
himself.
yung magpunas ka ng
If he eats
uso
things
mo.
that are dark brown, like this piece of milk, then
Oh, lasing yan. Lasing yan. Ba, pagkain lang naman kinakain mo eh. Nalalasing ka pa. Wala lang.
I'm so cute. You wanna do that? Yep, there you go.
Haba ang pajama mo kaya ate prinsesa yan
If you're gonna shrimp, check this out.
Lasing
Shell of the shrimp.
Nanto ko pa.
Lasing sa kadamihan kumain biskwit.
Do what's called molt.
Kahit may akain eh.
Outside of them, their
Hindi
shell
malalasing.
comes
Katapos lang nanginis na naman. Ugabay. Yan, laki-laki mo eh.
shell because it came up shrimp. Look at these pools. Wow. These are called hermit crab.
Babay na, dali. Babay na kay Papa. Babay na. Babay na kay Papa, dali.
Check out what happens when I pick it up. It's gonna go inside the shell.
Bye-bye. Babay na. Ha?
Malito raw ang ilay ngayon.
Bakit?